Hello, my name is Gabriel Ignacio Cortés Ruiz. I am 50 years old. I was born in Medellin and I live in Medellin. I am married and I have a daughter and a dog. I like riding on cycling. Last vacation I went to Ginebra, Switzerland with my sister and my niece. We stayed three for 3 months at my sister's house. I like it because of the weather. I love cold weather. I spent around there €1,000 at the travel in liked it because it was a very different culture. There were a lot of places to visit, for example, when the Swiss Alps, and we had a very good time there. We drank good wine and delicious food, and also we did paragliding in Lucerna. That is a small town near Ginebra. I came back a few months ago because it had to work. Weather. The weather in Ginebra, Switzerland depends on the time the year that you visit, but when there the weather was very freezing and cloudy and when high. Went to the Swiss Alps, the weather was very snowy and cold. It became sunny at night, but it's still very cold. Recommendation: you should do some paragliding in Lucerna. You should drink some good wine at the vineyard. Go to the Swiss Alps, eat traditional food. Wear some warm and comfortable clothes. Try to do a travel plan organized. Take the train. Have Swiss chocolate. What people should do. People should wear good jacket. People should drink hot wine. People should visit the touristic place like the Swiss Alps. What people should not do. People should not wear summer clothes. People should spend their time at bed. People should spend their time watching TV. Thank you.